Brabus is back at it again, this time taking the already impressive Mercedes-AMG E53 and cranking it up to new levels of performance and style. The tuner's latest upgrade pushes the hybrid 3-liter turbocharged inline-six from 577 horsepower to 691, easily eclipsing the V8-powered E63 it replaces. The original combustion engine delivers 449 horsepower on its own. With the addition of Brabus's PowerXtra B53 700 performance control module, output rises to 557 horsepower and torque jumps from 413 to 487 pound-feet. The electric motor contributes 163 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, bringing the total to 691 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque combined. This tuned E53 rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, which is 0.2 seconds quicker than the standard version. Top speed stays at 174 miles per hour. Brabus is not just about power. They also offer visual upgrades like a front spoiler to reduce axle lift, a carbon rear diffuser, 5 custom wheel styles, and 4 black 3.5-inch exhaust tips. Optional extras include a high-speed rear spoiler and interior personalization with unique trim, carbon or aluminum pedals, and custom upholstery. Mercedes will launch the new E53 in both sedan and wagon body styles in the United States before the end of the year. And if you ever feel that stock horsepower is not enough, Brabus has got you covered. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the wildest builds on 4 wheels.